to Chloe and CedricToys.com, and this is Cedric, and I'm Chloe. I am Cedric's sister, and this is my brother, Cedric.
And I'm building the cannon for the SpongeBob pirate.
Can you show me the box? Can you show me the box? Oh, show me the picture. What are you building? Show me the picture.
This is the pirate ship, and you can shoot the cannon, and this goes can go like here.
All right.
And the walk
Okay.
line, and it has a trenches in the secret place, and this is the trenches and the ship.
And I'm building Lego Friends, and is 5 to 12, and I'm 6, but I'm not good at Lego, so I'll buy this. And this is the cake because I like that. So I like cupcakes and cakes. So now I will do. And this is the menu that we will show you. Now I will build it. Now we need this to the box. Just like this.
You need
build it to
a
this.
circle 2
this.
by 4, circle 2 by 4,
And we need
2 circles 2 by 4. Yeah, and
the
place it there.
stick here, and we put this way, just put like this. And we have the table, and it's round, and put it in like this, and it's just a little bit pressed back. Ouch. Like this. Your finished building will be like this. And in a page. Now we need the milk and the flour. First, we need to find the milk that is like this. And the milk has the pointing, which is like this. Now, this says you need to put like this and put this in. Just little press. It's not so easy to press tiny things. So just press a little bit hard because tiny things don't fit a little bit. So just press and done. And put this milk right beside here. Okay, like this. And I need to find this brown square Lego. And I need to find the flower, says Lego, and just put on the Lego sign. Okay, and shows like this. And put besides milk. And we fix. And we have the cup. And this is the ice cream. And put the ice cream on top of the cup. Like this. And we put the ice cream on front and the milk. Like this.
Okay.
Turn it around a little bit. You can see that.
That's a box.